How many Turkish drones are you deploying?
We have enough.
In less than a decade, Turkey has become a drone powerhouse. Unmanned aerial vehicles were its defense industry's single largest export last year. Bayraktar Kızılelma, Turkey's homegrown unmanned fighter aircraft, Bayraktar Kızılelma, currently in development by Turkish defense company Baykar, has achieved another milestone in its flight test campaign. During the 9th and 10th flight tests at the Akıncı Flight Training and Test Center, the Kızılelma unmanned fighter jet successfully conducted a formation flight with Baykar's Bayraktar Akıncı unmanned combat aerial vehicle. Also, this marks the first time that two unmanned aerial vehicles have flown together in formation. The Bayraktar Kızılelma project, which has successfully produced two prototypes, is currently in the development and production phase, and Baykar plans to begin mass production of the national unmanned warplane by 2024. The chief technical officer of Baykar Makina, Selçuk Bayraktar, said that Turkey's Kızılelma supersonic unmanned fighter jet would outperform the American F-35 and will be a challenge to fifth-generation classical aviation. The Kızılelma is 48 feet long and has a 32-foot wingspan. It has a range of 500 nautical miles, an operational altitude of 35,000 feet, and a top speed of about 460 miles per hour. Baykar says it has a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 13,200 pounds and can carry a payload up to 3,300 pounds and fly for 5 hours. Baykar also claims the Kızılelma will have features that make it stealthy. The unmanned fighter aircraft is designed to conduct air-to-air combat missions with the assistance of artificial intelligence and air-to-ground missions. The aircraft's low radar cross-section will give Turkey a significant advantage in low visibility. Additionally, the aircraft's unique ability to take off and land on ships with short runways will revolutionize the battlefield, allowing for increased flexibility and operational capability. The Kızılelma is expected to carry a range of weapons, including precision-guided munitions, air-to-air missiles, and cruise missiles produced by Turkish manufacturers. The aircraft will be equipped with a Selsun-built AES radar and be able to fire domestic Bozdogan and Gökdogan air-to-air missiles. The future unmanned aircraft will be fitted with Roketsan-made MAM family guided bombs for small attack missions and SOM-J cruise missiles with a range of more than 250 kilometers for surface warfare. Kızılelma has been in development in some form since 2013, but it has progressed quickly in recent years. It was first unveiled to the public in July 2021 and first spotted on Baykar's production line in March 2022. Baykar claims the Kızılelma will be able to take off and land on short runway aircraft carriers like TCG Anadolu. The ship is built with a ski jump ramp at its bow and is being modified to include a hook arresting system to ensure the Kızılelma can land safely. Despite rapid progress, the Kızılelma still faces hurdles. It may still need upgrades in order to conduct carrier operations. Nonetheless, Turkey remains ambitious, and it plans to introduce the Kızılelma into service by 2025.